Hi, boys and girls. Today in science, we're going to continue learning about landforms. Today we're going to read What's Stronger? How Water Causes Erosion. We've heard this word erosion before. This book is written by Lincoln Bergman and Jacqueline Barber. Okay, here's our title page. Here's our table of contents. I'm sorry. Here we go. Remember, our table of contents tells us everything that is in our book. All the things we're going to read about is in the table of contents. First thing we're going to read about is water is powerful, and that's on page 4. Water is powerful. Water may not seem powerful. It flows around things. You can jump into it and swim through it. Still, water is powerful. It can make things change. This is a book about the power of water. We often see water fall as rain. Even in a big storm, each raindrop is really small. Is rain powerful? Can little raindrops make anything change? Let's think. I'm going to stop the video for a second so we can think about, are raindrops powerful? Now think about what we did yesterday and how we saw water changing the landforms in our experiments. What is stronger, raindrops or a hill? Let's stop and think. Let's look at the photograph. I see a hill here and I see water coming down. What is stronger, the hill or the raindrops? What are you thinking? When rain falls, raindrops hit the ground. The raindrops break off little pieces of rock and soil. Raindrops collect into streams of water. The water flows downhill. It carries the pieces of rock and soil with it. Many raindrops together can break off and carry away many pieces of soil and rock. Losing pieces of soil and rock makes a hill smaller. This is called erosion. When rain may not seem powerful, but it is. While rain may not seem powerful, it is. Rain causes hills and other landforms to change. Let's look at another one. Oh, what's stronger, a stream or a boulder? Let's look at this photograph. Here I see a picture of a huge rock, and when it's that big, it's called a boulder. That's right, a boulder. Around the boulder, in front of the boulder, I see a stream of water. What's stronger, the stream of water or the boulder? Well, the boulder's made out of rock. Look at this water. Let's read. Really big rocks are called boulders. The boulder in this picture is huge. It looks very stable. Stable means not to move. It won't change. Could a stream move this boulder? Believe it or not, the answer is yes. In a flood, which is a lot of water, more water flows through a stream than usual. The water moves very fast. Flood water can be powerful enough to move big boulders. Even when there's not a flood, water changes boulders. Streams make boulders smaller. Flowing water breaks small pieces of rock off the boulders. The water erodes the boulders. Over time, the boulders become smaller and rounder. Now, I want you to look at this photograph. The heading of this page is, what's stronger, a river or a mountain? I want you to look at this photograph. And you see this huge mountain. Now, as we know, that's right, mountains are made of rock. And there's more boulders down here. I wonder how these boulders got down here. And there's water all around. What is stronger, a river, or a mountain? I'm going to stop the book here, and this is a question I want you to ask yourself.